Hello friends, today we shall discuss about the political science chapter on equality. Let's get started. The Indian Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the handwritten documents on January 24, 1950. 2 days after, on 26 January, India celebrated its first Republic Day. Ambedkar was the chief architect of our constitution. It is because of him that our constitution covers a wide range of civil liberties, including the freedom of religion and the abolition of untouchability. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. Every individual in the country, including male or female, from all caste, religion, education, and economic background, are recognized as equal. In our country, there are laws to protect people from discrimination and ill treatment. Important provisions in the Constitution on equality. Article 15. Every person is equal before law. No person can be discrimination against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, and gender. Every person has access to all public places, including playground, shop, market, hotels. All persons can use public wells, roads, and bathing ghats. Untouchability is abolished. In order to implement the equality that is guaranteed in its constitution, the government has taken two important steps. Formation of law. Formation laws that protect every person's rights to be treated equally. Schemes. Government has launched various programs to help disadvantaged communities. These schemes are to ensure greater opportunity for people who have been treated unequally for several centuries. Midday meal scheme refers to the programs introduced in all government elementary schools to provide children with cooked lunch. Tamil Nadu was the first state to start midday meal in schools. In 2001, the Supreme Court instructed all states to implement midday meal scheme in their schools. Midday meal had many positive effects. They are more poor children began enrolling and regularly attending school. This program provided food and nutrition to children of poor families who were not able to provide healthy nutrition to their children. Civil rights movement in America. African Americans were treated unequally in the US. For example, when traveling by bus, they either has to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seat whenever a white person to sit. Civil rights movement in America started in late 1950 to push for equal rights for African Americans and to end racial discrimination. On December 1, 1955, Rosa Parks, a 42 years old African American woman, boarded the bus to go home from work. On that day, Rosa Parks initiated a new era in the American quest for freedom and equality. The Civil Rights Act came into being in 1964 that prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. Disabilities Act 1995. This law states that persons with disabilities have equal rights and government should make possible their full participation in society. The government has to provide free education and integrate children with disabilities into mainstream schools. The law also states that all public places, including buildings, schools, shopping malls, etc., should be accessible and provided with ramps. Universal adult franchise. This is a very important aspect of democratic societies. It means that all adults, those who are 18 or above, citizens have the right to vote irrespective of their social or economic backgrounds. Thank you.